Buying wisely. Lesson 2. When are goods cheap? Do you notice how prices of goods always change? Sometimes they're cheap and sometimes they're very expensive. What are the factors that change the prices of goods? This lesson will discuss these matters and teach you how you could save money when you buy goods. After completing this lesson, you should be able to interview market vendors or furniture shop dealers about prices of goods they sell and explain the relationship of the supply of a product with the demand for that product. Let's read. Read the story. Dante is still new in the seafood business. He buys seafood like fish, shrimps, crabs, squid, and others. He sells this in his neighborhood and in nearby barangays. It is an honest means of livelihood, and he has been doing it for 2 weeks now. On his third week of buying seafood, which happened to be the time of the full moon, he was surprised that the prices doubled. It would be now hard for him to sell his products. He was able to attract many customers before because of his low prices, but now he couldn't explain to them why prices went up even if there was no typhoon. There were no tsunami or high sea waves that could destroy coral reefs where sea creatures live. The fish brokers at the pier didn't increase in number, nor did his customers. Dante is worried that his seafood might go to waste if no one wants to buy them. Learn relation of season and month to prices of goods. Prices of products and goods change, and there are reasons for this. During the rainy season, vegetable prices increase compared to their natural prices. Why? Most of the vegetable fields get flooded during the rainy season. It is also difficult to plant vegetables because they easily rot when they get wet. Do you also know that most suppliers of vegetables are from rural areas? It is difficult to transport vegetables during the rainy season. These are the months of June, July, and August. Because of this, only a few traders bring their vegetables to the city markets. And yet, the number of buyers doesn't decrease, so prices go up. Tomatoes, watermelons, and mangoes are cheaper during summer because they are in season. These are the months of April and May. During the rainy months, their trees don't bloom much. Few blooms mean fewer fruits. This is why prices of these fruits increase during the rainy season. During clear, moonlit nights, fish and shrimp prices increase because of fewer catch by fishermen. The reason for this is that fishes spread to different parts of the sea or lake. It is difficult to catch them. When a cloud hides the moon, the fish crowd near the fishing boat. Only then are fishermen sure to get a big catch when they throw their nets. Have you ever thought about why it is cheaper to buy electric fans during cold weather? Few people buy electric fans during cold weather. If a store has plenty of stocks, it goes on sale. These stocks have to be sold in order to regain capital. Putting up sales will help stores sell their products fast. Let's remember, in this lesson, you learned the following. The prices of products and goods may vary depending on the season or month. Vegetables are expensive during the rainy season because they easily rot when wet and are difficult to transport. Fruits such as mangoes are cheaper during the summer because they are in season. There are other situations or conditions which may affect the prices of products or goods. One example is the discovery of a disease that affects animals like cows and pigs. It is important to know which product is cheap and at the same time is also of good quality. This will help you save money. Talk to vendors in markets and stores to find out which products are cheap and of good quality. If there is an abundant supply and less demand for the product, prices are cheaper. If there is a shortage in supply and a high demand for the product, prices become expensive. If there is a sufficient supply and a normal demand, prices of products and goods remain stable.